how to customize Facebook page URL. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, I have an exciting tutorial for you. I am going to show you the updated process on how to customize your Facebook page URL. So, without further ado, let's get started. First, log into your Facebook account, then navigate to your Facebook page. Click on your profile icon, then go to Settings and Privacy. Click on Settings, then under General Page Settings, find Username and click Edit. So as you can see, it says here that our public username is the same as our timeline address or URL. You can now enter your desired username. It's essential to choose something that represents your page effectively. Make it memorable and relevant to your content and ensure that it's easy to spell and pronounce. Review and make sure it's correct, then confirm your choice by clicking Save Changes. Go back to your Facebook homepage now. And as you can see, we have successfully customized our Facebook page URL. Our page now has more user-friendly and professional-looking URL. I hope you find this video helpful, and if you did, please give this video a thumbs up and consider subscribing to my channel. If you have any question or run into an issue during the process, feel free to ask in the comment section below. I will do my best to help you out. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!